What's up guys, it's Antoine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the camel with the Rubik Twist 36. So first, this red one is going to go up. Then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this white one is going to go down, like this. Now, you're going to count 1, 2, and this white one is going to go right. Now, this red one is going to go up. Then you're going to count 1, 2, and this red one is going to go towards you. Then this white one is going to go down. After that, this red one is going to go right. Next, this white one is going to go away from you. Then this red one is also going to go away from you. Now, this white one is going to go up. Then you're going to count 1, 2, and this white one is going to go away from you. Now, this red one is going to go left. After that, you're going to move this red one so that these two red ones match to make a square, like this. And then you're gonna move this white one down. Now, this red one is gonna go towards you. Then you're gonna count 1, 2, and this red one is gonna go right. After that, you're gonna move this white one so that these two red ones match to make a square, like this. Now, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and this red one is gonna go up. Then this white one is going to go down. Now you're going to count 1, 2, and this white one is going to go right, like this. And then this red one is gonna go up. And finally, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and this red one is gonna go right. Now you finish your camel. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.